This is probably one of the coolest things at CES. This is the XPeng Aerof. And this crazy modular Cybertruck looking thing is actually the mothership, and it's all about what's over there. Today we'll take you behind the scenes with some of the most unique tech at CES 2025. This is printable solar panel. They have it over here on Cybertruck. This is XPeng's Aero HT, a mind-blowing modular flying car that only China can deliver. And it has over 2,000 pre-orders with a price point that's going to surprise you. VIP access. Before we dive in, guys, we have 1 million of you tuning in every month, but only a small chunk of you are subscribing. We have a goal this year of doubling our subscriber count. The best way you can support us is just by clicking that subscribe button. Basically like a helicopter, car, everything built into one. This is insane. Aero HT is the world's first ground air module that can take flight out of your trunk in less than 5 minutes. And I got a first-hand look at its mothership, the land aircraft carrier.
Who doesn't need a 6-seater minivan with a drone that comes out of it?
And the aircraft itself.
It's rear-wheel steering and also all-wheel drive, so you can go off-road with it. It's kind of big, but actually it's 5.5 meters long, so you can park in a standard parking lot or go underground. It's okay with it. If you have a driver license, normal driver license, you can already drive it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Aero HT leveraged XPeng Motors' advancements in EV tech, battery systems, and electric propulsion to develop this one-of-a-kind EV, which doubles as an onboard supercharger, allowing its aircraft to charge from 30 to 80% in just 18 minutes. What is the battery of this?
So it's extended range, it's hybrid. So use gasoline, it can generate the electricity, and then we can keep recharging the aircraft for maximum 6 flights.
All right, do you know the size of the battery?
Yeah, currently those parameters still not confirmed yet.
Okay. The carrier can seat up to 4 people and has a range of over 621 miles. But you can't just take off from your backyard. XPeng has announced over 200 so-called air camps across major cities in China, specifically designed facilities to support the operations of these flying cars.
You don't have to go to the airport. You can just weekend getaway, and then drive it and then separate the aircraft, and then you can already experience it.
So this is like a transformer.
Yes, yeah. And this is the aircraft, so with only one click, and then the aircraft can be automatically separated from the car truck.
With the press of a button in under 5 minutes, the land module auto-deploys the air module, and 2 passengers can go on a short flight. The use cases can range from the agricultural industry to medical emergencies, or simply sightseers in natural landscapes who want to take their ordinary road trips to the sky. This is actually happening. It goes on sale next year in 2026. They already have over 2,000 pre-orders, and it will sell for $280,000, which seems like a lot of money, but then when you think of everything you're getting, I don't think it's that bad. What do you guys think?
And also, like, after you're done with the flying, you want to put it back, you don't have to do it manually. You just need to fold the arms. The car can autopilot looking for the aircraft, and then they can reconnect by themselves.
So it's kind of like flying a drone, essentially, where they can come back and it's able to do that capability. Where would you guys take this? I feel like going across like a national park, going to the Grand Canyon, being able to fly above it while you're driving across country. Do you need a special license to be able to drive the aircraft?
Yes, let's get a closer look. It's gonna be much easier than the helicopters or the plane.
So we are over here at the AFEELA booth now, and they have some of the most advanced pool cleaning robots on the market, and they're about to unveil their new Scuba X1 Pro Mat. This is their 3rd generation pool cleaning robot. What makes this one so special is it's an all-in-one pool cleaning device, so it really saves you time and money because it covers all your pool care needs. With the world's strongest suction at 8,500 gallons per hour, it clears dirt and debris from your pool so you don't have to. The dual jet tech tackles oil stains and algae on walls, while Waveline 2.0 cleans above the waterline as well so it's spotless. And even large leaves and small debris clean up as well. Aper's advanced filtration system ensures nothing gets left behind. It has OmniSense Plus 2.0 and FlexiPath tech, and it actually adapts to your pool's shape for precise and efficient cleaning. Plus, it's a true cordless design with up to 10 hours of runtime, so you get powerful cleaning without the hassle of cords. AFEELA really isn't just a pool cleaner, it's peace of mind for your pool, and they're also giving our viewers a free $200 coupon code. All you have to do is join their Facebook group and subscribe at AFEELA.com. I'll link everything you need to know down in the description below, and let's get back to the video.
Because you're gonna see that it's very simple to operate.
She's gonna let me pass the guard here. VIP access.
Yes.
Watch your head.
Yeah. So you see, it's very simple for the cockpit. You only got one single lever here, and that's basically it. So you use it to maneuver like forward, backwards, and that is the manual control. So to get the pilot license for this, it's very easy to learn it.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I need to try this out. The air module is all electric using CATL batteries on board. It features 2 flying modes, an autopilot mode for sightseeing, and also a manual flight mode.
Or you can just sit here and then put down your destination address and then buckle up, close the door, and that's it.
I love this. I love the interior too. It's very modern.
And it has aircon.
Oh, look at that. It's
Yes.
the whole like...
So think about in summer, you can have an aircon in the cockpit.
Its manufacturing facility is under development in Guangzhou District, China, with deliveries starting in 12 months and a production capacity of 10,000 units. When you charge it full, in the mothership over there, it can go about 6 flights. Is that what you guys are saying?
Yeah, like the aircraft, while driving or while parking, the aircraft can be charged by the car to support maximum 6 flights. So it's not like one time you fly and that's it.
Yeah.
It's like you can take turns with your friends together to have flights.
But how long would each flight be?
It is about like 15 minutes. But
Okay.
currently, because it's still in R&D, like we are gonna get the certification by the end of this year. Because currently, this is designed for the scenarios that is only for short distance personal
Yeah.
flight experience. So it will not go for a long distance. It's not unnecessary.
Yeah, this is so cool. I'm so impressed, and I love that I'm here getting to see this, take you guys along for the ride.
Yeah.
I would love to go on a real ride.
Yes, yeah.
The aircraft flies to a max height of 300 meters or about 1,000 feet, roughly the height of the Eiffel Tower, but safety is at the peak of its
We
design.
got 6 propellers, and we did the test that if 2 propellers lose power in the air, we make sure that it still hover and then land safely on the ground. And also not just the propellers, but also like all components, like for example, the flight control, the powertrain, the communications, every component is gonna have at least dual to triple redundancy safety design. Once lose power or have some fault, we make sure that there's always a backup.
I love it. I love it. What questions do you guys have? Put those down in the comments below. I have been following along with you guys for a while now, and
Thank you.
I'm so excited that the future is here right now. Initially, this Aero HT will only be available in China, but there are plans to expand to Europe and North America in coming years. There was over 4,000 exhibitors from around the world, and AI and robotics were clearly a significant focus. This is the Plod Notepad, an AI-powered note-taking and transcription device that summarizes and turns your real-time conversations throughout the day into bullet points. And you can wear this one like a watch or a necklace, and it will be able to listen to the conversation.
Oh, this is sick. Okay. If you have an annoying boss that you don't want to listen to all day, you can just...
Or if you are like me and you have ADHD, you zone out after a couple minutes, and then you're like, wait, what did they just say?
You're always zoning out.
I'm always zoning
Definitely.
out. It
You
takes
need
those
this.
notes for you.
Strap this right now.
I know. I love it. I love it. This
Follow for
guy.
one.
Apple made a toothbrush. This would be it. This is the world's most advanced toothbrush, a 60-degree oscillating brush with over 2,000 different settings to choose from. Check this out. This is printable solar panels, and they have it over here on a Cybertruck. In an ideal situation, you're going to get 4 to 5 kilowatt hours of energy each day using this on your car. I think this is a cool option. I would love to test this out, but I'd love coming to CES and just seeing really innovative things here. How is this made? Like, what kind of solar technology goes into it to be able to kind of shrink it down into this format?
So it's powered by CIGS cells, which is more flexible than traditional silicon-based cells,
What is the cost of doing something like this?
covering the entire car, plus the battery pack, plus the installing, $8,000 to $10,000.
$8,000 to $10,000. Oh my gosh. I think this might be what I think it is. If you guys watch my Instagram stories, you'll know that I'm absolutely obsessed with feeding our birds at home. I need this. I need this. This solar setup takes miniature AI-powered cameras that mount next to your beehives and plants and uses AI to identify the species and give you a live or recorded video of their life in your backyard.
It's called nature intelligence. It's a recognition, just like an AI recognition. We've been doing that with BirdBuddy for 2 years, where we can recognize the species of the bird. And what's really incredible is it's gotten so good that if the same bird comes back, it will tell you that it was the same bird, and if it comes back 3 times, you can name it. And then it will say, Tom came back. Say hi.
So how much does this retail at?
We're just in prototype. We're going to Kickstarter the way we did with Bird Buddy, but we're hoping to keep it at $100.
I am a pro.
Nice, are you really?
What is happening here? Oh my gosh, people are getting in bed here at CES. Look who I ran into. Nikias Molina.
Whoa.
Everywhere I go, are you following me?
I'm not following you, I promise. What do you want to know?
I want you to explain to me all this Apple, like the HomeKit, how it all connects.
Smart home stuff.
Smart home stuff.
Let's start off here. Look, check this out. So this right here is Apple Home Key. So you can simply grab your Apple Watch, boom, just do like this, and it will open the door. You've got a bunch of different ones. I've got this one in my studio, it's amazing. I've also got doorbell camera, so you can just simply ding dong, and right on your Apple Watch it will be like, ooh, you can see who's in there, which is pretty cool. You want to know more?
Yes.
Check it out. Hello. Look, that's us.
Oh, there we are.
Who's this guy? Oh, he looks so cute. All right, let's continue. This is a valve controller, and what's cool about it, just imagine you do have a leak. Have you ever had a leak?
Yes.
You can just have a water leak sensor connected to this, and whenever this detects water, it will just stop all your water. Like the valve, it will close it.
That is
super
really cool.
You've got cameras. A car just looks like a kit for a bunch of stuff. So you've got a bunch of sensors plus the camera, which are cool. They just announced this.
I love how when Nikias talks, he just sounds like he's doing like a TikTok or like a short.
Yeah, I know.
It's very animated.
You want to know the craziest automation that I have? So I have this right here, which is a water sensor. And when I have that in my shower, and whenever that detects water, my towel heater is also smart. So it starts heating my towel when I get a shower.
Oh, I like that. Why didn't you set that up at my house when you came to visit?
I don't know.
Next time.
You want to know anything else, or am I done with the channel?
I think we're good.
I can't be in your channel?
You can be on our channel.
Can I tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
Why have you not subscribed? She's bringing you the best coverage for CES. Are you kidding me?
And subscribe to Nikias Molina.
They already
for
did.
all things
they
Apple.
already did. You did it? What the?
This might look like a spoon, but it's actually the most advanced spoon in the world. When you eat with this, it sends an electric current into your tongue to make your food taste saltier. So it's an easy way to just enhance the flavor of your food without getting all that extra sodium in there. This is basically a Keurig for ice cream. So you take this little pod, this is a liquid pod, you put it into the machine right up here, put it in, close it up right here, and then within a couple minutes, you're gonna get ice cream. So it's gonna chill. So this is the salted caramel. Let's give it a taste. It is so creamy, so good. Oh my gosh, this is dangerous. And Scout Motors had both their truck and SUV on display. We're working on a full-length video and a one-on-one with an exec, so be sure you're subscribed for that video. Holographic technology. You know what this reminds me of? Do you remember Cybertruck reveal?
The Cybertruck.
Didn't they have something like that there? If you want to know what the future looks like, well, it's here at the LG booth.
3 cameras
Uh-huh.
located in the smart OTR. And then it has 1 camera located in a range. It does range sync, so it pairs to each other. So let's take a look at some of the camera angles. One is real live of what I'm actually cooking in the microwave. So right now, me and you are gonna have cheese pizza for lunch. There's that cheese pizza.
I'm actually kind of hungry.
Let's look at other angles to this camera. It's us. Say hi to the camera. I want to post it to YouTube. I can do a full-on video, record, photo, or video, and send it to the social media of my choice. Okay? Last but not least, this camera is also located in the range because they are paired. So I can do real time-lapse video of, I like cooking chicken. So there we go.
Oh, wow.
And that would be what I'm actually cooking in the range. And I can share it. So that, but don't get me wrong, this is still an actual OTR.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's a clear TV. I mean, it's so thin, and then the quality is translucent. It's basically like a window. Let me go try to walk behind it and see if you guys can see me. This is the Vision AI mobility concept from LG, and let's go over here so you can see what is going on. It's using AI to be able to track the person, it's looking at their eyes, look at their 3D skeleton, and then it takes all this and it puts it into how tired they're getting. If you're driving, you're getting tired. So there's a camera up here. What? Oh, okay. They're serious. It's sort of like the Apple Vision Pro, where when you look at something, that's how you move. You just look. These are bone conduction headphones, so they don't even go inside your ear. These are the running ones, and it just wraps around your ear, and somehow it vibrates through your bone, and you're able to hear it without going inside. I love that because I have small ears, and I'm very sensitive to certain headphones that go inside. That's what she said. I know what you're gonna say. I feel like this is a little bit of a scene from a movie you guys might remember. Down, please. The bathroom. Are we there yet? This is a companion robot for kids to help them teach them empathy and human care. And it has these cool little expressive eyes. You can talk to it. Some of them are furry. I mean, take a look at these little designs right over here. I don't know what this is, but I feel like I'm entering the Matrix right now. We talk liquid cooling all the time on our channel when it comes to batteries. Well, here is an example where you can see what it looks like in real life. Every year I come to this booth and I see the same thing. This is the Sony Honda collab, and it's called AFEELA. And AFEELA, like I've seen this one before. I also AFEELA, like this one might never really come out. All right guys, I'm holding you to it right here. It says AFEELA I'm coming in mid-2026, and the Origin is coming in 27. It's right here in writing. One thing about CES, this is my third year here, and I feel like you never feel like you have enough time because this is massive. There's so much to see, so many cool things, and I love being able to show you guys as much as I possibly can, but you can never get enough. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you're subscribed because we have some of the most unique EV and tech content headed your way in the next few weeks. All right, we'll catch you next time.